Welcome to Fundamental Science. Today's topic is Empirical Formula, Fundamental Science with Dr. Ashra. So those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a like to my videos. Here we go into the video. What is empirical formula? That is the simplest whole number ratio, right, of atoms of each element in a compound, right? Example CHO. So this is the simplest whole number ratio of atoms of elements in a compound. For example, let's consider C6H12O6. So this is the common example that you know, and this is glucose, right? So what is the simplest whole number ratio? How can we get a ratio? Divide by the same number. So there's 6, 12 and 6. So it is CH2O. I have divided by 6. So this is the empirical formula of glucose. So we're going to go into the calculations. So what are the steps to write an empirical formula? The first step that you need to consider is, first they will give the mass, or they will give a percentage of the elements, right? So then you need to the second step, they will give that, you have to take that and you need to convert it into moles from there, right? They will give the mass or the percentage of each element. Take that, convert it into moles, and then divide. Why do we need to divide? To make a ratio. So you have to divide by the smallest number, then only we can make a ratio. Then we need to, this is the third step, and fourth step is round up, right? So now we're going to see an example of a compound having 40% carbon and 6.7% hydrogen, and what about the oxygen is 53.3%. So now you have already got this percentage value, so you need to make moles. Going to the second step, that is carbon. So how to make moles? What is the formula for moles? Moles is equal to mass in grams over molar mass. So they have given this, right? So to divide it by molar mass. Molar mass of carbon is 12. So we get 3.33. So hydrogen, the molar mass of hydrogen is 1. So 6.7 divided by 1, that is 6.7. And then oxygen, the molar mass of oxygen is 16. Usually they give these values. So that is again 3.33. So now the next step that we need to do is divide by the smallest. So we're dividing by 3.33. So that's equal to 1. This is 2 nearly, so you have to round up, so it will be 2, and this is 1. So the empirical formula of it is, there is 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, right? So now I'm going to teach you a simple mnemonic to remember this. How to write this? M, right? D, W, R. That means first you have to make moles. Then you need to divide. So then to make a whole number, then you will get a whole number, that will say wholify. Just I'm saying wholify. Then it will reveal you the formula. Reveal formula. The steps. So as a mnemonic, to make it very easy for you all to remember, I just write this MDWR as. Right? Make donuts with rules. So for empirical formula, you can remember it as make donuts with rules. That means for M, it's mole, D divide, W wholify, and R reveal formula. Make donut with rules. So if you remember this, you can keep it in mind very well and easily, and do very well for your exams. So those of you who have not yet subscribed for my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And then here we conclude the video for today.